Hello everyone, today we're going to demonstrate how to book the Huawei HCIA exam. First, click on this option. Select the corresponding provider, and here we click on H, Huawei. Select Login. Enter your username and password. After logging in, during this process, we need to make a selection. Choose the corresponding city and country. For example, here we take Chinese as an example, and select China. Here, select the exam code. If it's for Huawei, we can search for HCIA. We click Search and select HCIA.com, then click OK. After making your selection, choose the language here. We select English. Check these two options and submit. After we complete the submission here, click I agree. Select the location of the test center. For example, here we take Beijing, China as an example. Select the corresponding test center, date and time, and then we click on Book. Once the booking is successful, if there are no issues, we click on Pay here. After the payment is completed, Huawei will send you an email to remind you that your booking was successful. If you want to know more details about Huawei exams and need the Huawei certification question bank, you can send me a private message or leave a comment below the video.